Right, there we go, Stuart. Yet another PW201. A bit like buses, aren't they? Never see one and then all of a sudden two come along together. As you can see, this one, there's a new end plate on there. There's no level filler plug. Got one on order. The boiler strapping missing. Not likely to be replaced because the lugs have sheared off both sides. This is an aluminium firebox. You can see the other 201 over there. You can see what should be there. A little strap and a screw with a lug. So what I'm going to do is put a bronze retaining clip in there. A bit like the SE1s have that I did. I can just show you. Ooh. There. There's bronze clips. Very good, very ornamental. Not quite the same, I know, but you're going to have to do. Very notice this one's got a very long chimney. I assume that's the original. Anyway, not talking. Well, there we go. Look at that. Slow that down a bit. Bit more. That's not too bad. Might be banging in a minute when this pipe blows out the top of that safety valve there. I've only screwed that in. It's just about 10 psi, so that might go bang in a minute and blow that up in here. So I think that's fine. So the plan is, if I can clean this base up. Still got the remains of the decal on there. So I could see this becoming like that. I don't like half and half, so you know, I like them shiny. Get in bits first and get all these modifications like the filler plug on the back there and the new clip fitted. Got an original burner coming. I've managed to source one of those second hand, so pretty well back to normal other than the boiler retaining clip there. So that's it. Another Bowman PW201 ready for the chopping block. Thank you.